morning everyone. I am Annalisa Cortez and today we will be discussing about how to get the perimeter of a triangle. So before we go on our topic, let's first of course talk about the definition of a triangle so that we will have the knowledge about what is a triangle. So in geometry, a triangle is a closed, two-dimensional shape with three straight sides. A triangle is also a polygon. We can find the shape of a triangle in a flag, in the musical instrument triangle, and also in a roadside signboard. Like we can find the shape of a triangle in everywhere we go. So now let's talk about the classification of triangles based by its side and based by its angle. As we all know, we have discussed about it previously, which is discussed by Mrs. Carla Malait, that a triangle has different types. So now let's discuss first about the triangles based by its side. So first we have the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has all three sides equal to each other. So it is very understandable, right, that their sides are equal. Like for example, this sides is 5 centimeter. So also the other two sides is also 5 centimeter because they are equal. So that is equilateral triangle. And due to this, all the internal angles are of each of the angles is 60 degrees. So next, we have the isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, two sides have equal length. So basically, their two sides are equal. Like for example, this one is 10 centimeters. So basically, this one is also 10 centimeter because the isosceles triangle is their sides have two equal. So if the two sides are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. So lastly, we have the isocline triangle. A isocline triangle is a type of triangle in which all the three sides have different side measures. So this one is different from the two triangle that we have talked about, which is the isosceles triangle and the equilateral triangle. When we talk about equilateral triangle, they are equal. The three sides are equal. When we talk about isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal. So in this one, the isocline triangle, their sides are different. They are not equal. So basically, they have different measures. Like for example, this one measures 10 centimeter and this one measures 8 centimeter and this one measures 5 centimeter. So an isocline triangle have different side measures. So now let's talk about the triangles based by its angle. So first we have the acute triangle. So an acute triangle has all of its angles is less than 90 degrees. So basically, its angles measures less than 90 degrees. Like for example, 89 degrees, 88 degrees, and lower than that. So that is acute triangle. So next, we have the right triangle. In a right triangle, one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees, or it is called right angle. If that angle measures 90 degrees, then it is being called right angle. Right angle is basically measures 90 degrees. It must not be lower than or greater than 90 degrees. It must exactly be 90 degrees, and that is called right triangle. So lastly, we have the obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has any of its one angles more than 90 degrees. So in this triangle based by its angle, this one must be measured more than 90 degrees, like for example 99 degrees, 120 degrees. Its measures must be more than 90 degrees, so that one, if the measures is more than 90 degrees, then that is an obtuse triangle. Its measures must be more than 90 degrees and not less than 90 degrees. So that one is an obtuse triangle. So that is the classification of the triangles based by its side and based by its angle. So let's recall the 6 classification of the triangle. So by its sides, we have the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. And triangle based by its angle, we have the acute triangle, the right triangle, and lastly we have the obtuse triangle. So that is the classification of triangles. So now let's discuss about our main topic, which is how to get the perimeter of a triangle. So to calculate the perimeter of a triangle, we need to add the length of its sides. Like for example, we have here a triangle, and let's assume that the triangle has sides A, B, and C. Then the perimeter of the triangle will be B equals A plus B plus C. Like for example, we have here, like for example here in the picture, we can find the length of the fencing required for a triangular park by finding the perimeter of the triangle. So we have here the measures, which is 90 meters, 40 meters, and 70 meters. So in order to find its perimeter, we need to sum them up, or we need to add it all. So perimeter, or P, equals 40 meters plus 70 meters plus 90 meters equals 200 meters. So the measures, or the length of a triangular park, is 200 meters. So that is how to find the perimeter of a triangle. We all need to add or to sum them up so we can find the perimeter of a triangle. So we have another example, which is a serving tray as shown forms an equilateral triangle. So that is a triangle with 3 equal sides. So let each side be 20 cm long. So to find the total length of a decorative lace to be pasted on outside borders, one needs to find the perimeter of the triangle. Since all the 3 sides of the triangle are of equal length, we can find the perimeter by multiplying the length of each side by 3. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, or equals to 3 times 20, is equals to 60 cm. Thus, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times the length of each side. So we have another example here. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. So here the sides of the triangle are AB equals 3 cm, BC equals 4 cm, and AC equals 3 cm. So as we discussed about how to get the perimeter of a triangle, we need to sum of all the 3 sides. So therefore, the perimeter of the given triangle is equals to 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 3 cm is equal to 10 cm. So the perimeter of the given triangle is 10 cm. So that's it for our discussion today, and I hope you have learned something, and thank you and God bless us all. Have a blessed day. Goodbye everyone.